Let's move to Pakistan, where Maulana Fazlur Rahman, the leader of Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam, an Islamist politician, has announced that his party will commemorate the 50th anniversary of the ruling in 1974 that declared Ahmadis to be non-Muslims. The ongoing hostility of the Pakistani state towards the Ahmadi community and other religious minorities in the nation has given people like Maulana Fazlur Rahman more confidence. Minority communities in Pakistan, including Ahmadis, Christians, Hindus and others, have experienced persecution and targeted violence, in addition to discrimination in the workplace and educational system. Look at this report.
ये सन 1974 के 7 सितंबर के कादियानियों को गैर मुस्लिम करार देने वाली तरमीम का 50वां साल होगा.
This Islamist politician in Pakistan is declaring that his party would celebrate the 50th anniversary of the 1974 decision to declare Ahmadis as non-Muslims. In an address to a conference on the Palestinian issue, Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman is announcing that his party would hold a grand event at the Lahore's Tower, Minar-e Pakistan on September 7 this year. Ironically, Maulana Fazlur Rahman is an active politician who was also the leader of the opposition in Pakistan from 2004 to 2007.
7 सितंबर 2024 ये सन 1974 के 7 सितंबर के कादियानियों को गैर मुस्लिम करार देने वाली तरमीम का 50वां साल होगा और इस पर मैं ऐलान करता हूं मीनार पाकिस्तान पर गोल्डन जुबली बनाई जाएगी और पूरा मुल्क आएगा इंशाअल्लाह उसमें. तो ताजदारे खत्मे नबूवत हर कूद जाना चाहिए. ताजदारे खत्मे नबूवत ताजो तखत खत्मे नबूवत.
People like Maulana Fazlur Rahman have been emboldened by the Pakistani state's continued hatred towards Ahmadi community and other religious minorities in the country. Minority communities in Pakistan such as Christians, Hindus, Ahmadis and others have faced challenges ranging from discrimination in employment and education to targeted violence and persecution. Ahmadi community, which was officially declared non-Muslims 4 decades ago, is increasingly under attack. Moreover, instances of anti-Semitic propaganda, conspiracy theories and hate speech can be found in certain segments of Pakistani society, including in media, religious discourse and online platforms. Such attitudes often fuel intolerance and contribute to a hostile environment for Jewish individuals and communities both within Pakistan and globally. As a result, several in Pakistan openly supports the Palestinian Sunni Islamist party Hamas, which is responsible for widespread violence and death in and outside Israel. Maulana Fazl defended the Hamas raid on Israel, saying it was carried out to make the world aware of the plight of Palestinians.
हमास ने हमला करके दोबारा से फ़िलिस्तीन के क़ज़िये को उजागर किया है. फ़िलिस्तीन को आज़ाद करने का मौजू ये दोबारा ऊपर आ गया है और हर चंद के वो कहता है कि हमारे मकबूजा इलाके हमारी दिफाई ज़रूरत है, जिसका माना यह है कि वो पीछे जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं होंगे. लेकिन दुनिया हमास की तरफ से, गजा की तरफ से शुरू की जाने वाली जंग को आज़ादी फ़िलिस्तीन की तरफ एक कदम तस्वुर करते हैं.
On October 7 last year, in an unprecedented surprise attack on a major Jewish holiday, Hamas militants stormed into nearby Israeli towns from the blockaded Gaza Strip, backed by a barrage of rockets. They killed dozens of people and kidnapped more. Since then, an armed conflict between Israel and Hamas-led Palestinian groups has been taking place.